So this, in which medium this is? Why you thought of giving it to me? Why you thought of giving it to me? Maga दिवपाचे तुला किती आहे? I am honored. It's a very rare gift. तुझ्या घेतलं फामात पेंटर.
But if not by my own heart, I can say. If not, that would be my hand.
No, look at it. No, purposely म्हणजे jealousy and professional response and all those things are there.
I don't think I can do it.
कितलो? Around 2 months.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. He is famous. सगळं पोर्तुगीज येता बरी. हे म्हणजे रिसर्च स्टुडंट PhD.
तो sobre todo quanto tempo ela demorou para isso é apenas 10 minutos.
First class Portuguese Magayan. He was in Portugal. Famous Goan painter, Waman Naval. He is many exhibitions have taken place all around the world, but he is still not properly recognized in our own state. He stays at Pomorka. He is a Goan by so many generations, and we belong to the same family deity of Khandwa, isn't it?
First go to study fine arts in Portugal.
I have Portuguese at level. I like her to speak to you in Portuguese.
The último artista é Portugal. Eu vou de boa, tanto pela academia, ignorar. Por quê? Inveja, ciúmes, injustiça, não é?
ताका फुटबॉलाक घालूं शकता तुमचे कोणी वळखीचे जाल्यार सांगा मायक्रोबायोलॉजीन कोणी आसा बरो रिसर्च केलो ताणें एंटीबायोटिक्साचेर म्हणजे कोणी तरी एक आमचो वळखता थियोतान डिसोजाज आमचो प्रोफेसर ते युनिवर्सिटी हांवें हातून आसता तो कॅथलीक युनिवर्सिटी न्यू युनिवर्सिटी लिस्टमध्ये बट वी हॅव द एड्रेसीस ऑफ सम पीपल ताका खुन्नास आमची मेळूंक शकता स्कॉलरशीप तुमचो रेफरन्स दिल्यार जाता न्ही Thank you very much.